Hi everyone, I'm Shaukat from Kerala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to evaluate so many people they are doing business or job in our area. So many people they are doing business or job in Gulf countries and European countries. Which is better? I'm going to evaluate that. I'm going to evaluate my situation that you can also understand. I'm running a stationery shop nearby my house. So usually I open my shop 9 o'clock, close my shop 9 p.m. So after close my shop, I can get my home every evening. So I can socialize my time with my wife and children. I can spend my time with them. And I can participate all the program also. If I have any marriage program, political program, and any society program, that time I can participate in this kind of programs because I'm running a shop nearby my house. So this kind of in our area working people, they get this kind of opportunities because they can spend their time with their family, with friends, and with surrounding area people, and they can participate this kind of program also, any marriage program, political program, and society program. People can participate if they work in their native place, and sometimes very important people they die. That time also we can participate in that funeral program. But so many people they are working in Gulf countries and in European countries. This kind of people they are facing more difficult situation because most of the people they can't bring their family with them to Gulf countries or European countries, because if they bring their family with them, that time they have more expense. If the people get good salary from Gulf countries or European countries, only then they can bring their family with them. Other few salary get people, they can't bring their family with them. This kind of people, they are facing more difficult situation because they get leave maybe once in a year, this kind of time. This time only this kind of people can spend their time with their family. So it's very difficult situation. That's why if we compare in our area working doing business people with other countries working or doing business people with, maybe we can earn money very low, we can earn money very low, or okay, but we can enjoy our life with our family, friends, and society. But their situation is very uh, difficult because they can't enjoy their time with their family, friends. Comparing with the past time people they didn't have this kind of facility also, because nowadays if the people do job or business Gulf countries, they can communicate with uh, people. Communication very easy nowadays. If we want make video call, we can make video call also. That's okay. But in Gulf country working people, countries working people, European countries working people, they if they can't bring their family with them, they can't spend more time with their family. This kind of problem, this kind of people are facing. So my opinion, if we get a good job in our area, we can do that job. If we try to start a business, we can start a business in our area, because we have life is very short period. We have life is very short period. If we spend most of the time at Gulf countries or European countries, we can't enjoy our life. That's why if we want to get more enjoyment, we have to do job or business in our area, because if we do job or business in our area, we can spend our time with our family, we can enjoy our life with our family, friends, relatives, and society. It is the important. And fortunately, I learned a bag manufacturing work very early time. That's why I didn't need to go any other countries. I'm very happy. And if we try to get a job or business, if we try to get a job opportunity in our state, we have very less job opportunity in our state. That's also a problem. So government also should try to make more job opportunity for people. Otherwise, people will get this kind of struggle. So I explained little about this matter. Thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye.